everyone, I'm Mao, a graduate student at the Asian Institute of Technology. And like most students here, I have deadlines, readings, research at very limited time. So today, I want to share how I use AI in my daily study tasks, not as replacement for learning, but an assistant that helps me survive graduate school. AI is equal to assistant, not the boss. I'm currently working on my research about an AI-supported decision framework for construction delay management. Using AI helps me save time, but I don't rely on it blindly. I still verify everything, read original sources, and make the final judgment myself. Final decision is equal to human. When I'm doing research, I deal with a lot of journal articles. And let's be honest, reading bulk research papers in 1 week is not easy. So I use AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Jenny Blackbox to help me summarize papers, extract key ideas, program coding, or understand complex sections. But this is important. I don't stop there. I always go back to the original paper to check if the summary makes sense. Trust but verify. During coursework, time is always limited. Sometimes we have many readings due in a very short time. So I ask AI to create structured summaries, comparison tables, or key takeaways. This helps me prepare for discussions and assignments more efficiently, but I still read the articles myself to understand the details. I also use AI when working on assignments, but not to copy the answers. No copy-paste, promise! I use it to organize ideas, improve clarity, check grammar, or see if my argument is logical. The content, analysis, and conclusions still come from me. For presentations and reports, I use Canva to make my work more visual and engaging. Instead of spending hours designing slides, AI-assisted tools help me focus more on the content. I choose the tool based on the task. Each AI has its purpose. ChatGPT for ideas and explanations, Gemini for alternative perspectives, Perplexity for source-backed answers, Jenny and Blackbox for academic writing and code support, Canva for visuals and presentations. For me, AI doesn't replace learning. It reduces repetitive work so I can focus on thinking, analyzing, and making decisions. Less time struggling, more time learning. In research and in class, the responsibility still belongs to me. So that's how I use AI in my daily study life at AIT.
Smart tools, responsible use, human judgment.